Hey everyone, with a surprisingly large feature set considering its price, the Samsung Galaxy A05s is a fantastic addition to the company's roster of low-cost smartphones. Its glossy frame, flat glass front, and fingerprint-resistant matte plastic back create a design that is both elegant and simple. The teardrop notch on the front panel is the only low-cost design element, and the discrete camera bump enhances its visual appeal. The positioning of the quick and precise fingerprint reader in the power button compensates for the device's size, which may make one-handed operation difficult. A 3.5mm headphone jack, Dolby Atmos support for wired and wireless audio, and a dedicated triple card slot that can hold 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card are just a few of the welcome features that the Galaxy A05s offers. But the simple vibration motor and single speaker make you think of its low price point. One of best features in its price category is 6.7-inch Full HD display with refresh rate of 90 Hz. It provides sharp images without flickering, brilliant colors, outstanding brightness. In settings, you can choose between 60 and 90 Hz refresh rates. Other choices include screen personalization and eye comfort mode. Although screen is suitable for everyday usage and media consumption, it is still a good idea to inspect protective glass for problems such as malfunctioning proximity sensors. The Galaxy A05s's internal components include a Snapdragon 680 CPU, 4 gigs of RAM, and 128 gigs of storage. The performance tests indicate UF speeds, which is unexpected for this market, even though Samsung hasn't confirmed the type of storage. Despite sporadic slight lags, the processor is reliable and stays cool while being used, easily managing daily chores. Samsung promises 3 years of security patches and 1 major Android update for the phone, which runs One UI Core 6.1 on Android 14. A front-facing camera, macro lens, and primary sensor are all part of camera configuration. Although primary camera's performance in low light is limited by its lack of optical stabilization, it provides good results in well-lit environments. Image quality is greatly improved by using Google Camera, particularly in low-light conditions, where it improves detail, color accuracy, noise reduction. While the macro camera is more of a gimmick, front camera is sufficient for video calls and selfies. Digital zoom allows for full HD 60 frames per second video recording. However, optical stabilization is not available. The 5,000 mAh battery offers 2 days of moderate use or almost 7 hours of screen time when used heavily, demonstrating the device's exceptional battery life. With a full charge taking just over an hour, the 25-watt fast charging support is remarkable considering the price. Nevertheless, charging brick is not included in the box by Samsung. With NFC support and dependable network and navigation performance, connectivity is strong. However, some users may find lack of a radio and geomagnetic sensor to be a drawback. Although it is a formidable competitor, the Galaxy A05s does not overtake Galaxy M14 as Samsung's top low-cost device. It is an intriguing option within its price range thanks to its powerful cameras, bright display, quick charging, and simple design. Given its worth, its drawbacks, such as mono audio and little software support, can be overlooked. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy A05s? Share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time, and God bless you.